Welcome back, everyone. Mark here from Mark's Backwood Adventures. Today I'm in my shop here. Today I'm fabricating a log loading forks, I guess. I do have, I don't know if you've seen in my past videos, I do have pallet forks that I use to load logs in the sawmill and when I'm out logging, picking logs or whatever. But they work, but it's not the greatest. The problem is they're too long. They're a bit too long. So you're trying to pick a log out of the pile and you're grabbing 2 or 3, or you're trying to pick a log off the ground, you're digging in the ground, you're digging in the roots. So try to shorten up the pallet forks. I don't want to manipulate my pallet forks, if I can say it. I want to leave those the way they are because they do come in handy for lifting pallets. So what I've done is I found a set of forks off of a forklift, and I just built a frame, and I'll just show you here what I got going on. So this is it here. Yeah, I just built a frame and I got some forks, so I'm in the process of welding these forks on here. I got some gussets. I just got to angle, just cut the gussets here at an angle, but as you can see, I'm not a professional welder. This is only for my personal use. It's not going to be certified in any way, shape, or form, but anyhow, I got a little MIG over there that I've been using, a 180 MIG. So these forks are pretty thick. I'm not 100% sure. I tacked them on there and it seems to be welding pretty good, so I'm going to attempt to, if not, I'll bring them to a professional welder and get them welded on, but I think I can do it. I feel confident that it'll be okay. So anyhow, that's what I'm going to be working on today. I'm just going to go show you outside here what's going on. It's about +2. We had some snow last night, but the rain and then rain overnight, so it kind of melted away. I mean, for April, weather's up and down. One day you can have, you know, +15 degrees, beautiful sunshine. Next day you could get snow. So that's the weather here in Southwest Nova Scotia, and probably most regions of the country are the same. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes and it'll change. But anyhow, I think we're supposed to get better weather by midweek or so I'll get back to sawing. I did a little bit of cutting on the weekend. I cut for a dear friend of ours wanted to build a hothouse or a greenhouse, so I got that milled up and milling for my. In the meantime, I'm milling for my neighbor. He brought a bunch of logs over, so I'm trying to get his list completed. He's got a little bit more logs than what he had anticipated, but we'll get through his list in the next few days here as soon as the weather clears up. So I'll just go show you. I milled up some Douglas fir over the weekend. I got plans for it inside the house, but unfortunately it's got to sit for, I'd say, a year. I milled it about 1 inch thick, so I'll give it a year to dry out. It's going to be inside stuff, so I don't mind framing with wet lumber, but not finishing with wet lumber, that's for sure. You're looking for trouble there. So I'll just go show you what I got going on there. So here's the Douglas fir I was telling you about. So it's undercover here, so it's a little rainy today. I don't know if you can see the rain, but you can certainly hear it. I got a little bit more than what I anticipated. There's some 2x4 by 12 feet underneath of that pile, but those are that's what it is. It seems to be a decent looking wood once I plane it and see, but we'll see from there. I got some 2x4s here. I'm going to use 1.5 by 3.5, or 1.5 by 4, I guess, for decking for the deck at the lease cabin that we own. So I gotta fix that up sooner than later. There's the sawmill getting soaked on. Everything's wet. There's my neighbor who brought his trailer over. We did a little bit of sawing on Saturday. 2x4s and boards, and yeah, that's this pile of logs are over yonder there, just straight ahead. And I think you guys seen my pile of logs. It still hasn't shrunk very much. There's my pine, and there's my spruce I use for framing my cabin. I gotta get on that. There's some red pine that was given to me from the local church here. They wanted to cut some pine around the church. They were getting close to the building there, so they wanted to get that taken care of. They didn't want that falling on the church, so which is good. Got some of that. I don't know, I've never worked with that before, but we'll mill it up and see. Always looking for logs to mill, and looking for new adventures. So anyhow, I'm gonna get back inside here. Yeah, I'm gonna get back inside here and where it's dry, and I'm gonna continue welding on this these forks, and I gotta come up with a bracket system that's gonna work, that's gonna attach to the John Deere. So kind of trying to design something. I've got some metal coming. Hopefully I can get that to work. It's gonna be trial and error, but I think I got it sorted out. Anyhow, I'm gonna get back at her here, and thanks for coming along. I might continue taping here, show you my my process on this unit that I'm trying to build. But anyhow, hope you're enjoying these videos, and I hope you hit like and subscribe. Anyhow, I'm gonna get back to work. Enough talking.
Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes, wondering what should I do. For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind, here till the day I depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight. But I feel it sometimes, wondering what should I do. For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears. Still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind, here till the day I depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. I feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy. Things just feel heavy. What's wrong? Something isn't right. I feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes, wondering what should I do. The reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that
it is, folks. I got it welded, but we'll see if this is gonna hold. It's gonna be a lot of grinding and cleaning if it doesn't, but I felt like I got decent penetration. I'm hoping that'll be all right. Now I gotta gear up some attachments here in the back here for the tractor, and then give her a coat of paint. We should be good to go. Anyhow, that's gonna be it for today. I think I'm gonna go sharpen up some blades. I done a bunch of mine yesterday and one this morning, so I think I had 5 blades I had to get done. So father-in-law's got some blades that he wants sharpened. Might do those. Rainy day, keep him busy, gotta have something to do. So anyhow, until next time, thanks for watching, and get outdoors when you can, be safe, and see you next time.